So I've looked high and low on YouTube on how to install the bins on the RSI Smart Cap, and I haven't been able to find any videos anywhere on how to do this. So I'm going to show you today how this is done. This is Gendel Overland, brought to you by London, Ontario Jeeps, in part by Forest City Dodge, and 67 Designs. So you've got these holes that you're going to be putting all of the bolts through, but they got these caps on them. So you take your Allen key and go in from behind, and you can push all these caps out. Now I got them all. You get 8 nuts, bolts, and these plates. You put the 3 on top, like so. So to install this, you pre-install the bolts so that they're hanging down inside the cap. You come over and look at the bin, and you've got these slots here, and they will slide right onto those bolts. So this is what it looks like once it's all installed. You still got a little bit of room under here to put like blankets, and I'm sure you can get some storage boxes that'll fit into there. But that's how clean that looks. Coming in this side, you got molly panels on the back so you can hang some gear. You've got molly panels on the door, which you can hang some more gear, and then plenty of storage for all of your off-road stuff that you want to bring with you. Thanks for joining me here at Gendel Overland. Please click the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next week.